Hi, my name is Zach Wilson, Technology Learning Coordinator at Springboard Media Apple Specialist in Philadelphia. Please join me for my presentation at iPadPalooza 2016 titled The Silver iPad Playbook, Fixing a Failed iPad Rollout and Supporting Teachers for Success. I'll be talking about a case study involving a local charter school which unsuccessfully rolled out 600 iPads. By developing a strategic plan and redeploying the iPads on a foundation which included comprehensive teacher training, IT support, and a new mobile device management solution, we were able to shift the school's culture toward academic success and student responsibility. We'll talk about rollout best practices, including how to develop a strategic plan for your school or district, teacher professional development strategies, and also discuss the future of iPad deployments in education.